show you how to create a call to action in HubSpot. So a CTA button. You go to marketing, lead capture, forms, CTAs, and then you can see create CTA. You click create CTA. So here you can see different kind of template CTA call to action that you can try to use. We have categorized like events, you have content, you have lead capture, and newsletter, article, offer, notification. And then if you want to build from scratch, you click there. It's where that's going to build from scratch. We have sticky banner, pop-up box, slide in, embed image, embed button, and then embed create pure HTML CTA and apply your own theme. So let's do the embed button. You click there. Okay, no thanks. So here, as you can see, we have our button there. Here we have the styles, where to do your styles, to put your style for your button. And then here we have the page. So you're gonna choose is we want to redirect people to email address, file download, meeting links, content page, and then all the blog pages or URL, or it's gonna just be a normal button CTAs. And then here we have the text. Can be, for instance, like what can say, okay, download ebook. So this letter, for instance, the text is download ebook. So we have the CTA there, call to action, and then the color. Let's see, it's okay. Let me change the color. Fonts. Let's see the width. The text already fine. Can change the font size there. The font family. And then we have the padding. Have your padding there. Okay. Then after that we have color. Yeah, and then we have the border. So you can see there we have solid border. That's the border, different kind of border. If you can use solid border, so if you can know to which border you want to give to it. Solid, then 1 pixel, and then the corner radius, you can say 50 pixel. Yeah, and then the over effect, over background, for backgrounds. Okay. So here we have, again, if you want, then apply. So this one here, because we are testing it, we have to click preview. You can see there. All right, so the options here we have, if you want to select a campaign and then click tracking, so click track clicks through redirect or track clicks through the browser. As you can see, tracking through the browser will allow the use of anchor links and will not rewrite links to use or a redirect. So back to edit. So this is the way that you set up your button. So once you finish, you click just review and publish. Publish now. Is either if you want to edit in your HTML page, you can copy the codes. Okay, done. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to go to a page where we're gonna add our CTA. Go to website page. Then let's go, for instance, to this page here, edit, and then we're gonna look for call to action. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna here. Okay, or we need to look for different type of templates. Or which one? Let's try this one here. Okay. So call to action. You can edit there. And then select button. You can see our download ebook. You can also create another theme from here and another button from there. You can from this inside the page, or you can go to the CTA settings. So yeah, so this is the way that you set up your CTA section. Alignments, let's put some space there on top. Let's do 200, not too much. Yeah. So this is the way that you set up your CTA. So you have your CTA there, and yeah. So so HubSpot gives you a different way to have the CTA. So this is just a regular. If you want to create a button as a CTA, which is like that, and if you want to add, later from send another type of CTA from here, we do another add, select CTA, create CTA, and then let's say for instance we want to download we want to get a kind of like a newsletter offer. Let's see. All right, let's have something like this. Choose template. For the trail preview, just choose template. Yeah, because it's keep on loading. Yeah, so here you click publish. So you can see that we have different kind of settings there. Okay, so we have us. Can we give it a name? So it's a test, new test CTA. Test CTA. Yes. Okay. So now let's go again to our page and then try to edit. Let's refresh the page. Go to action. Oh no, so no, this one here we're gonna have to edit from the do preview. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, there we go. We did pop up there. So this one here is gonna pop up because of, as you can see when you click here, you can see there's nothing here. So let me delete this one here. Delete. So the way that CTA works, the one that you're gonna take from the top, because of that is a JavaScript with CTA. You can show on page. So the way that you set it up is what is that? This okay, test CTA. Click. Okay, targeting. So as you can see here, we have when will it be shown. So this is the way that, as you can see, the way that it gets shown it's going to be shown. So right now, the reason why we're showing on our page is because of here is set up to be shown on all the pages. You see, you can make it so that it can be shown on a specific page, or it can show on all pages. But now you can add excluding that page. You can add that setup again, and then after that trigger after elapsed time. So when the visitor has spent a specific duration on your page, and then boom, show it. So here we're in 7 seconds, and then after that, did it pop up? Trigger on exit when visitor appear to be leaving your website. Trigger on page scroll. Trigger on page on button click. So there is different way of setting up your kind of like your CTA. Here we have small screen size, turn off on small screens. You can set it up there. You can set up the campaign, click tracking, and then you have a set a date time for displaying and publishing, schedule for later, set and publish date on time. Yeah. So, and then we have the content, the way that is set up. We have the design and setup. And then here you can add some of the other elements that you want to kind of like add in your let's say for instance we have a divider there. You can add the divider, as you can see there. So yeah, so this is the way that you can so there is like a different way of setting up your button. So the call to action, so HubSpot is giving us like a lot of template that you can choose from. As you can see, you have so yeah, so you have a lot of template you can build from scratch, or you can choose some of the template here to make it very quick for you. All right, thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and subscribe for more.